Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Younger Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 36. So here it is. Let's read the story. If the host is detected to have violated the rules, the host will put into mute mode and vanish with an electric current. Oh, right now, she was in shock. Mingyan said to her, if you don't answer, you will get punished. You with a dare. Oh, this has been tough. Mingyan moved closer to her and said, did you really like it? Looking at Kusing, seems that she really looks uncomfortable. It's just that it's so embarrassing. Forget about being vicious female supporting role. Don't even want to be a human anymore. But hearing this, all of this, seems to be getting crazy. I knew Gusing and I were the same. Mingyan said to Gusing, well, after that, are you really okay? How many times I have teased you? Are you happy? Gusing said to Mingyan, but right now, also, Gusing, I'm just here for a flat. But she really noticed it at all. It doesn't care to her. Mingyan, others just want to control me. For them, I am means to their success. It's their beautiful handicraft. Mingyan, she was pertaining to her mother, as her mother has the different perception of hers. But Gusing, I just want to be with you. Mingyan said to her, right now, Mingyan. She was asking Gusing, so Gusing, don't you really can like me? Oh, it's like she was really trying hard to ask her. Gusing, the flattened characters have gone completely away, but this kind of person who is firmly chosen, trusted by the others, in the house, on Mingyan's house. I'm done doing this for own good. Mingyan mother, since I married you, I've never deprived Xiaoying of anything, but right now, how will Nyanyan and I live if she does that? Doesn't matter to me, but Nyanyan will be ruined by her. Don't be afraid, just as only a spoiled child. Gusing father said to Mingyan mother, when she comes back, I will make her kneel down and apologize to you. Oh, this is really getting crazy. Hey guys, this is only the short part. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.